Hello children, I am again here your EVS teacher. We have completed chapter 1 and its exercise. But from this year you have been given an extra exercise book and that is your activity book. This is very much helpful to understand the chapter nicely. So open your book, page number 37. It is EVS portion and science chapter 1, living and non-living. So we go for question A, that is give one word answer. First, name the flower that turns with the position of the sun. Which flower is that? You all know. It is sunflower. Name one natural thing. कोई भी natural thing लिख सकते हैं. I have written here sun. Third one. Name a plant that closes when it is touched. Which plant is that? It is touch me not plant. What are the tiny pores present on leaves called? That is stomata. So question B. Define the following terms. Define means what is that? वो लिखना है. First one, natural things. Things which are created by nature are called natural things. 2. Reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth to young ones similar to themselves. 3. Photosynthesis. Plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. 4th, chlorophyll. The green colored matter in leaves which enable photosynthesis process to take place is called chlorophyll. Now we move to our next exercise. Question C. Write 6 differences between a living and a non-living things. So children, the box is given. One side it is living thing and one side it is non-living things. First one, living things can move on their own. So non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things need food while non-living things do not need food. Third one, living things grow. So non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. And last one is living things die. Non-living things do not die. Children, here you can write any 6 differences. I have given 7. So let's move to our next exercise. Question D. Differentiate between. First one, man-made things and natural things. हमें यहाँ इस दोनों के बीच में क्या difference है ये लिखना है. So the answer is things which are made by man are man-made things, while things which are created by nature are called natural things. Second one, a plant and a cat. A plant and a cat both are living things. A plant cannot move itself while a cat can move itself. Third one, a table and a dog. A table is a non-living, man-made thing while a dog is a living thing. 4. Inhalation and exhalation. Children, inhalation means जानते हो? Inhalation means सांस अंदर लेना. Breathe in. And exhalation means सांस बाहर निकालना. That is breathe out. So here we write the answer. The process of breathing in air into your lungs is called inhalation, while the process of breathing out air from your lungs is called exhalation. So the question E I have skipped here because E question में आपको pictures draw करने हैं. ये तो आपकी सबसे favorite exercise है ना? Yes. उसमें आपको 2-2 pictures draw करने हैं सबके. Living things से 2 करने हैं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के 2 करने हैं. 2-2 बॉक्सेस दिए हैं उसके नीचे और सेकेंडरी नेचुरल थिंग्स के 2 पिक्चर्स एंड मैन मेड थिंग्स के 2 पिक्चर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल लिविंग थिंग्स में आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, कोई भी बर्ड, इंसेक्ट, एनिमल, प्लांट, कुछ भी, फ्लावर, कुछ भी. और नॉन लिविंग में माउंटेन, रिवर, सन, अर्थ, कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो आपको पसंद आए और जो आपको ईजी लगे. अगेन उसको कलर भी कर सकते हो. तो ये हुई ना आपकी सबसे फेवरेट एक्सरसाइज. Okay, then we move to our next exercise. Question F. Give reasons. First one, all living things need food. यहाँ हमें इसका reason बताना है कि living things को food क्यों चाहिए. Answer is all living things need food to live and grow. Second one, animals and humans need air to breathe. So the answer is animals and humans need oxygen to live. and oxygen is present in air. So animals and humans need air to breathe. एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन को जिंदा रहने के लिए ब्रीदिंग करना पड़ता है और ब्रीदिंग करने के लिए उनको ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, वो ऑक्सीजन ब्रीद इन करते हैं. सो ऑक्सीजन एयर में प्रेजेंट होता है, सो दे नीड एयर टू ब्रीथ. थर्ड वन, लिविंग थिंग्स हैव सेंस ऑर्गन्स. लिविंग थिंग्स हैव सेंस ऑर्गन्स टू फील चेंजेस अराउंड देम. लिविंग थिंग्स के पास सेंस ऑर्गन्स क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि उनको फील करना होता है उनके अराउंड क्या है. फोर्थ वन, when your hand is pricked with a pin, you pull your hand back. Because we are living beings, we have sense organs which help us to feel pain. So we pull our hand back. हम लिविंग थिंग्स है और हमारे पास सेंस ऑर्गन्स है. सो कभी भी अगर हमें कुछ चीज़ हर्ट करे, हमें पेन करे, तो हम तुरंत वहाँ से अपना हैंड ले लेते हैं. सो नाउ वी मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज क्वेश्चन जी. Answer the following questions. First one, name two plants that show movement. कौन कौन से प्लांट मूवमेंट दिखाते हैं? Answer is sunflower and touch me not plant. Question 2, how do green plants make their food? Answer is green plants make their food through the photosynthesis process. Question 3, how does a frog breathe? Frog कैसे breathe करता है? Frog breathes through its lungs on land and through its moist skin while in water. Fourth one, how do plants breathe? Answer is plants breathe through small pores present on their leaves called stomata. Now the last exercise, question H. Think carefully and answer the following question in yes or no. First one, are all man-made things non-living things? The answer is yes. Are all living things man-made things? Living things कभी man-made होती है? No. A car can move. Is it a living thing? कार move होती है, तो क्या वो living thing है? No. Water can also move. Is it a non-living thing? Water भी move होता है, तो क्या वो non-living है? Yes, water non-living होता है. So here we end up with our exercise. Children, do it carefully in your activity book, and I hope you understood all nicely. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy your days. Goodbye.